Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try black and white striped shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white printed shirt with black pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try beach polo t-shirt with white pants and tan loafers. Next you can try sky blue shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try black t-shirt with white baggy pants and black slippers. Next you can try white shirt with tan pants and black slippers. Next you can try white polo t-shirt with navy blue pants and loafers. Next you can try grey striped t-shirt with black pants and black and white sneakers. Next you can try white shirt with grey pants and black loafers. Next you can try white shirt with tan shorts and brown loafers. Watch this video to know 35 white pants outfit ideas.